Hello and welcome, dear viewers of Dubai Luxe Living. We hope you're doing well and are as excited as we are to explore yet another luxurious property in the heart of Dubai. Today, we're bringing you an exclusive tour of a stunning two-bedroom apartment designed with the modern traveler in mind. This apartment combines the comfort and luxury of a hotel with the privacy and warmth of home. Perfect for those who appreciate style, convenience, and top-notch amenities. This fully furnished, fully equipped apartment is move-in ready and ideal for a variety of stays. Whether you're planning a short-term getaway, a business trip, or looking for a long-term home in Dubai, this space offers everything you could ever need. Nestled in one of Dubai's most sought-after locations, this apartment promises both comfort and convenience, giving you the perfect base to explore all that this vibrant city has to offer. Move-in ready, stylish interiors and comfortable furniture that create a welcoming atmosphere. Spacious living and dining areas, designed for relaxation and entertainment. 2 bedrooms equipped with cozy beds, ample storage space, and private balconies with stunning views. Modern kitchen, fully stocked with all essential appliances, microwave, oven, fridge, kettle, and toaster. Cookware, utensils, and dining essentials provided, so you can easily prepare your favorite meals or entertain guests. Everything you need: fresh, high-quality linens, towels, and luxury toiletries. In-unit washing machine, hairdryer, iron and ironing board for added convenience. Air conditioning and heating for ultimate comfort, no matter the weather. Stay connected. High-speed Wi-Fi for all your browsing, working, and streaming needs. Smart TV with access to Netflix, YouTube, and other popular streaming platforms for your entertainment. Top Dubai location. Just 10 to 15 minutes from Dubai International Airport, making arrivals and departures quick and easy. Close to world-famous attractions like downtown Dubai, Burj Khalifa, Dubai Mall, and Jumeirah Beach. Walkable distance to restaurants, cafes, grocery stores, and metro stations, putting the best of Dubai right at your doorstep. As part of this luxury development, you'll enjoy access to top-tier building amenities designed to enhance your stay. Swimming pool with sun loungers, perfect for relaxing or cooling off. Fitness center equipped with the latest gym gear. Free covered parking, so you can easily park your car without worrying about availability or security. Kids play area ideal for families with young children. 24/7 security and concierge services, ensuring your peace of mind at all times. Why choose this apartment? Whether you're traveling for work, pleasure, or business, this apartment is the perfect home base for exploring Dubai. It's an ideal choice for couples, families, solo travelers, or anyone who wants to experience the city in luxury without the hassle. This apartment provides the perfect balance of privacy, comfort, and convenience, allowing you to enjoy Dubai's best attractions while having a stylish and functional space to return to each day. In this video, we'll walk you through the entire apartment, showing you every corner and feature to give you a real feel of what it's like to stay here. From the living areas to the 2 spacious bedrooms, modern kitchen, and luxurious amenities, you'll get a complete tour. If you love what you see, don't forget to like this video, comment below with your thoughts or questions. We love hearing from you. Subscribe to Dubai Luxe Living for more incredible property tours, Dubai tips, and exclusive content. Contact us to book or inquire. Ready to book your stay or have questions? We're here to help you make this luxury apartment your next home in Dubai. Contact us directly at 971-505-468263, or feel free to reach out to us via our website, email, or social media for more information. Thank you for watching Dubai Luxe Living, where we bring you luxury, style, and the best Dubai experiences. We can't wait to welcome you to your next unforgettable stay in this beautiful city.